This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your environment and choosing precise search terms. Install Python and Pytrends, then pick 2 5 keywords, 1 geographic region, and a time frame that matches your question. Once done, initialize a Pytrends session and set interest parameters. Authenticate only if needed. Immediately request interest over time for your first keyword to confirm connectivity. This first pull verifies your settings and reveals whether you need finer granularity or a broader time window before you continue. Now you fetch each term's time series and focus on normalization so comparisons are valid. For every keyword, request the same time frame and resolution. Then rescale each series either by dividing by its max or by aligning to a reference term to create ratios. Once normalized, merge series on date and handle missing values with interpolation or aggregate to weekly windows. Make sure to document how you normalized, because that explains why numbers are comparable and avoids misleading conclusions. Finish by visualizing and exporting your results. Use Plotly or Matplotlib to draw lines with clear axis labels and a legend. Add smoothing only if you explain it. Export the merged time series as CSV and save visual outputs as PNG or SVG for reports. If charts look off, troubleshoot by confirming time zones, ensuring identical time windows and resolution, and rerunning pulls to avoid transient sampling errors. That one tip usually fixes most mismatches and keeps your trends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.